My name is B-Walk and welcome back to Cop Your Coin, where I show you how to cop your coin in the fastest growing market in world history. And as always, I'm going to ask you to do three things, fam. I'm going to ask you to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that alert button so that you know when fresh content is out for Cop Your Coin. Today's video, I'm going to talk about another investment that I am holding on to, altcoins. I know that in a previous video that I talked about the calm before the storm, and little did I know the storm is to the downside. But this is another coin that I am holding on to, and quite frankly, I feel really strong about, and that coin is none other than XLM, Stellar Lumens. Let's talk about why I feel the way I do. Okay, so as you know, I always start my videos off talking about the coin market cap in the cryptocurrency markets to get a view of the big picture. As we can see, the volume has certainly been vigorous, but the market cap has come down some. I think the last video I had was somewhere around, in the calm before the storm, was like 210 billion market cap, and we certainly have shed about 52 billion off of that. 62 billion, excuse me, 62 billion. So right now we're looking at kind of, it's like we're bailing water. It's the bears are out there. They're out there. What I'm particularly impressed with is Stellar Lumens. I mean, why I say that is Stellar has been fairly stable, all things considered. A lot of the coins, Bitcoin has dropped, XRP dropped, Ethereum has certainly taken a drubbing. Some of these other coins, but Stellar at number 5 has remained fairly stable. And I'll tell you, I know why that is. It's partly because I'm sure a number of individuals are expecting, as I am, that it will be added to Coinbase shortly. But even beyond that, Stellar's got a great project. And I'm here to talk about not the fundamental reasons, but technically, what should you be looking for? So as we look at TradingView, we come down here to the charts. This is the daily chart on Stellar. And as you can see, you remember I was talking about the wedge, and it broke out of there, and it looked like it was poised to go higher. Then the market started to pull us down, and it still was fighting, but it got pulled down like everything else. The positive thing, the constructive thing, is that we have a support here at about 18 cents. And it certainly hit that and bounced right back up. And so here we sit. So we're just below 20 cents. And where are we going to go now? That's the question. So I suspect that if we can gather some consolidation here, if we can hold on, I think that it will eventually move higher. I have no problem at all adding to my position here at this point. And I don't think you should either. If we look at the hourly chart, kind of gives us even a better picture. So we can see that it's dropped, hit once here, bounce, hit again here, bounced again. So here we go. And it looks like it might test a third time. If it does and it bounces, get ready for it to move higher. So Stellar is a good company. You know, certainly a good project, rather. It's a good project coin I believe in. The risk versus reward is extremely low to me at 19 cents. That's nothing. So, and again, as I always, I state this again for my investors out there, my traders out there. Certainly, you do what you want to do. I'm not giving you advice and that you got to do exactly as I do, but don't put a lot of money out here. If you've got money out here and you can't sleep, then you've got your positions too big. That's period, point blank. You should be able to put money out here that you are comfortable with losing. All of us feel that you're not going to lose, that it's going to do well, but you should put enough money here that you can sleep at night. So don't mortgage your house on this. That's not the point of the cryptocurrency market. This is certainly speculative, and just like any other investment, you've got to dot your I's and cross your T's. Okay? But question of the day: where do you think Stellar Lumens is going to bounce? Do you think it's going to bounce back? I feel that it is. If it bounces back, where does it go from here? I think the last token that was added to Coinbase went up by 30%, if I remember correctly. So that means that Stellar from this point at 20 would probably go up to 27, maybe to 30 cents per token. I think it'll be much more higher than that. We'll see what happens as this market comes to a close in 2018. Okay? That's all I have for now. I'll see you next time on Cop Your Coin.